Ever wondered how beautifully decorated furniture is made inside a modern factory? Today, we take you inside a decorated furniture factory, from start to finish.
This is where raw materials turn into luxury furniture.
Every detail you see is crafted with precision. Every detail you see is crafted with precision. It all starts with high-quality hardwood selection.
Only the finest wood passes the quality check.
Selected wood is transported for processing. Moisture levels are tested to ensure durability.
This step prevents future damage and warping.
Advanced machines cut wood into exact shapes. Precision is key in furniture manufacturing. Robotics ensure consistency and accuracy. Some details still require skilled human hands. These decorations define the furniture's elegance. Surfaces are refined for a perfect finish. Clean production ensures higher quality.
Now, individual parts come together.
Strong joints guarantee long-lasting furniture. Machines apply uniform pressure.
Every piece is carefully aligned.
The structure is now complete.
Quality checks are performed at every stage. Next comes the decorative magic. This is where furniture becomes art. Artisans add intricate designs.
These patterns reflect craftsmanship.
Luxury elements enhance beauty.
Modern techniques meet traditional design.
Every corner matters.
Each piece tells a story. Attention to detail defines premium furniture.
Only flawless designs move forward.
The beauty is almost complete.
Now comes the final touch. Furniture is painted in controlled chambers. This ensures an even coat. Paint is carefully dried. Hand finishing adds perfection. The result is a flawless finish.
Color consistency is checked.
Almost ready for delivery.
Crafted to impress.
Final quality checks ensure perfection.
Every detail is reviewed. Furniture is cleaned and prepared.
Protection during transport is crucial.
Careful packaging prevents damage. Each piece is labeled and tracked.
Ready for shipment worldwide.
From factory to homes.
Prepared for delivery.
Craftsmanship delivered.
This is how decorated furniture is made.
From raw wood to refined beauty. A perfect blend of technology and art. Designed to last.
Thank you for watching.
For more factory tours.
See you in the next video. Answers till today.
Crafted with excellence. Subscribe for more.